Follow the footsteps of a factory coming alive. Core Works, where production begins.
The herd is moving south-southwest, pace steady, all clear on the east flank, over.
Hold the line steady, the calf is moving up. We have clearance to proceed.
Monitoring stability now, looks good, the animals are settled. We're proceeding to the route.
All clear, back her in. Thank you, Captain. Get her steady.
Conveyor is active. Elephants are stable. Proceeding to the main hall.
Phase 3, column harness is secured. We are ready for transport initiation on my mark.
Hoist 3, lower primary high to station 2. Roger that, lowering now. Clear the belt. Keep the alignment steady on the left guide. The brushes are engaging now.
Roger that, alignment holding steady. We are clear for cleaning.
Speeding up the rollers now, watch the edges. We got a heavy one coming through on the left side. Clear, engage brushes. All right, team, lift on my count. 1, 2. Hatch is secured, pressure steady. Slow the belt down, we're approaching the racks.
Copy, dropping to speed 2.
And hold it there, prepare to lift. Gauge reads semi-dry. Slow the belt down now. We're ready for clamping on line 2.
All stations, cycle starting in 3. Pressure levels nominal.
Now. We are ready for immersion on the green tank. Control.
Technology, proceed.
The temperature on drum 4 seems high. Let's check the WPH standard levels again.
Control, this is station 4. Increase roller pressure by 10 per speed. Over.
Copy that, sequence is green. Rack 7 is clear. Move to brown hide up next. Over.
Team A to control, requesting temperature adjustment for the navy blue lot.
Over. WPH team, secure the red hide. Over.
Copy that. Clamps released, moving to conveyor. Watch the folds near the rollers.
We need more speed on the main conveyor.
Adjusting panel WPH 3 now.
Copy, the brown hide is approaching the drum.
All clear.
Increase the speed by 5%. We need more oil on the green hide, moving through sector 4.
Lowering the top plate, watch the edges on that tan skin. Pressure's engaging now.
The temperature in zone 3 is holding steady.
Copy that, steady speed maintained. Copy that, dimensions confirmed. 2 by 3 meters on the Navy hide. Start cutting now.
We need the sofa panels adjusted by 2 centimeters on the next run. Confirm that with the floor manager. Rack 4, destination suitcase line. We have 3 oversized panels ready for pickup. Confirmed, sending runner now. Check the lacquer on the reds.
Control, this is Alpha 7. Left branch clear for Green's large goods. Send the next batch.
Check alignment on frame 99. We need maximum torque on the corner. Over.
RD, confirm torque levels on the last batch.
Reading steady at 50 Newton, Miss Charlie. Check the torque on the handle brackets. T85, moving to the next unit. We need more black plates at station 4. I need the measurements for the forest green. It's a 42B.
Check the rivets on the last batch.
Check alignment on batch 7. Torque levels at 90. Reading confirmed. Handle mechanism is smooth. Send the next unit down the line.
Station 3, all tests passed. Release for packing. Over.
Dispatch 742 to loading dock. Confirm receipt of the black unit. We need more boxes at Station 4. Hurry up.
WPH-7 Gamma, Bay 4. Confirm loading now.
Check scanners on 7 Gamma.
Panel GFG-12, moving to assembly. Check the edges on this green one.
Dimensions confirmed. Starting cut sequence.
Frame is aligned. Go ahead and activate the hydraulics.
Roger that.
Roger that.
The measurement on the green panel is short. Control, this is assembly. Panel code 4 to 7 confirmed. Get the clamps ready for the bending frame.
Check pressure on mold 3. Pressure stable. Proceed with the bend.
Riveting team, stand by on the inner frame. Confirm for the Emperor model. Over. Check the tension on the backrest, it's sagging slightly. Roger that. Applying more heat and stretch on sector C. Check the alignment on the navy blue sheet. Scan code WPH4B. Need more adhesive? Confirm, panel 05-alpha. Panel is aligned, let's go. Confirm, panel's okay.
Step inside and witness production awakening. Core Works, forged in steel and precision.